Hi guys, Draven here with another thing, lesson learned. Okay, I use this tool right here, which helps to put the barb, the barbed piece into the end of the tube here. Well, it's not necessary, it's not exactly hard to do. I'm doing a whole lot of these and my hands can only take so much. But I have learned, just in my first test today, that sometimes this tool can grip that end a bit too much and cause it to completely cut through. So when this was actually turned on, I had water pouring out of here, and it was mainly just on the bottom part here. So I had to pull that off. So what I've learned is that once I've crimped my pieces together here, so you just drop it in, and it is extremely windy today, so hopefully you can hear okay. But once I've crimped it in, it looks like it's got a good seat. I'm going to blow in it. Basically literally just blow into it with my fingers around the cap here. And if I feel any air coming out right here, I know I've got a problem, so I can fix it right now rather than wait for it to come on in my test and find water spewing everywhere. So yeah, we've got this is what it just normally does. It crimps the two ends and pieces it together, but like I said, sometimes they can cut through, so just give it a test, be aware of that possibility. And so there you go, a little tip for the day in my trial and error drip irrigation replacement system here. So anyway, this is Draven signing off. Until next time, happy gardening. Bye.